Is it the right time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will delve deep into VOO. Our initial report was released on our website on Monday, January 22, 2024. And today, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has ranked VOO as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 5.76. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 11.23% since we first recommended VOO as a buy candidate 53 days ago. That's an average return of 0.21% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the possibility of further growth within this trend. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential 14.58% change expected over the next 3 months, with a projected return ranging from 11.35% to 18.18%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 16.28% change over the next year, with a potential return between 2.53% and 18.04%. This would result in a price range of $455.52 to $524.44 after a year. Our latest update on the VOO ETF reveals that it closed at $444.30 on Monday, marking a 0.228% gain. On the last trading day, Monday the 22nd of January 2024, the VOO ETF price experienced a 0.228% increase, climbing from $443.29 to $444.30. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to observe if this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.500%, reaching a low of $443.70 and a high of $445.92. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 3.31%, with increases recorded on 6 of the last 10 days. Additionally, the volume of shares traded has increased along with the price, a positive technical indicator. In total, 1 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, amounting to a total of 6 million shares bought and sold, worth approximately $2.60 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $445.92, while the lowest price was $349.76. At present, the price is 0.36% or $1.62 below the 52-week high of $445.92, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF shows positive forecasts for the stock as it holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there is support from the lines at $438.82 and $432.03. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, October 27, 2023, and the stock has risen by 17.75% since then. Further rise is expected until a new top pivot is found. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. On the other hand, there have been some negative signals as well, which may have an influence on the short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal 58 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 55 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 51 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 49 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 38 days ago. Remember to visit our website at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. When it comes to support, VOO has found solid footing at $434.01. This level presents a potential buying opportunity because history suggests that an upward reaction is likely when the support is tested. In terms of risk, VOO is a relatively stable ETF with controlled movements. Its good liquidity further lowers the risk associated with this stock. Looking at its recent performance, VOO had a $2.22 difference between its highest and lowest points in the last day, representing a 0.500% change. Over the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 0.81%. Let's now discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. Currently, there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above for VOO. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock could move upward swiftly. If you're considering entering a position, using volume as an indicator to determine when to exit might be useful. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $434.01. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, as there's potential for a rebound in the stock's price. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $427.59, which represents a decrease of 3.76%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, making it a low-risk investment option. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 57 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? VOO holds several positive signals and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this, we believe it is a wise decision to consider investing in VOO at its current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis of the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day indicates that the current price of VOO is undervalued. For Tuesday, January 23rd, we expect VOO to open with a gain of $0.340, starting the trading day at $444.64. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It is always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinions, so feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for the ETF. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated on our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us.